Google's much-anticipated smartwatch is in late-stage development, and the company is in talks with Asian suppliers to manufacture the device in large volume. This is Asia Today. I'm Yun-Hee Kim. Joining me to discuss this story is Eva Dou, Taipei Tech correspondent. Eva, what are you hearing from your sources about Google's latest smartwatch?
So what I'm hearing is the smartwatch is in late-stage development, that it's almost complete. And there's going to be two big features that are going to be different that Google is hoping to make this watch different than other watches on the market. And one of them is integration with Google Now, which is Google's personal assistant, kind of its answer to Apple's Siri. And so it's voice activated and will be able to help you do different kinds of daily tasks, like maybe book a flight, or it will look through your email and figure out your itinerary and try to get you the information that you need based on what you're doing. And so the other thing is Google is trying to make it power saving, because that's been a big problem with these smart devices so far, that they have to be charged too frequently.
Right, a lot of technology companies are jumping into the wearable devices market. We saw Samsung launching their Galaxy Gear earlier this year, but you actually can't use a smartwatch without using your smartphone. So is the Google smartwatch potentially something that could operate on its own, or would you have to use another smartphone to operate it? Any more details on that?
Yeah, that's been the big problem with these smart devices so far, and a big barrier, because so far the smartwatches have had to operate with a smartphone, and it sounds like Google smartwatch will also be operating in conjunction with a smartphone or another device. And part of the reason is to make a smartwatch that operates totally independently of anything else. It would be very costly, and also at this point with the technology, it would be a very large watch. So that's the challenges of building one of these.
And what are you hearing in terms of this product being offered to consumers? As we saw with Google Glass, they were testing it with engineers first so that they could develop specific apps for Google Glass. Are we likely to see this product out in the market sometime this year?
Well, this watch could be launched as early as later this year. Google is in talks with manufacturers for mass production. So far, it has not entered mass production, but that appears to be something that's in the plans.
Okay, and finally, Eva, why are all these tech companies jumping into the wearable devices market? It's not like we didn't have these devices before, but what's so attractive about wearables now specifically?
Yes, exactly. So wearable devices has been something these companies have been looking at for a long time, actually. Talking with contract manufacturers here, they've had watches lying about for years. And I guess the main reason is the technology just wasn't there to create a watch that had enough useful and grabbing functions that a consumer would want it for the high price tag. And so the technology seems to be getting there, that we will be seeing some of these devices reach the market.
Okay, we'll be certainly watching this space. Thanks very much, Eva Dou, Taipei Tech correspondent. For more on the story, you can go to WSJ.com. I'm Yun-Hee Kim for Asia Today. Thanks for watching.